Welcome to Miami, where world-class living requires exceptional property management. As people travel and own properties around the world, when they come to Miami to enjoy their residence, they expect a top-tier level of service and a property management partner that makes their life easier. Whether you live in a luxury condominium in Brickell, a historical home in Coral Gables, or a modern townhouse in Coconut Grove, your community deserves a property management company that can create the right solution for your residents' expectations. From refined dining options to elevated wellness amenities and services to high-tech entertainment and concierge programs, life in many of the communities we manage in Miami has to match the experience of other global destinations. At FirstService Residential, we understand what matters to homeowners and HOA boards across Miami's most prestigious neighborhoods, from Bal Harbour to Key Biscayne, from Edgewater to Aventura. You need community managers and staff you can depend on. And you need your residents' calls answered, emails responded to, and requests handled. Our services in property management in Miami include elevated front desk and concierge training program, financial and energy management services, 24/7 customer care, preventive maintenance, technology solutions, and lifestyle programming with customized amenities such as food and beverage, fitness, security, connectivity programs, and more. That is why FirstService Residential continues to earn accolades as a Miami-Dade favorite by the Miami Herald and the top Homeowners Association management company in South Florida by the South Florida Business Journal. Headquartered in Dania Beach, Florida, the company manages 1,400 associations in Florida's Tri-County area alone and continues to set the standard for excellence in residential property management. We help care for your place so you can make it a home. We keep things running so you can slow down. Lean on us for a listening ear, a friendly face, or a helping hand. FirstService Residential, your Miami property management experts. Say hello to life simplified.